ahari shaha munana zihangwe President Yoweri Museveni nibwo yakaca ikororo muri Kampala ahakushoma imbarira yihanga iyo mwaka gw'ibyesente gw'Enkumi 2026 ya trillion 94 omumbarira yashomwa Minister Henry Musasizi ebyo kwerinda nibyo byatwara sente nyingi trillion 10 hamwe na billion 200 ebyentambura batamo trillion 8 hamwe na billion 9 kandi by'amagara batamo trillion 5 hamwe na billion 20 ebyo bwegese batamo trillion 6 hamwe na billion 6 kandi hariyezi harimo kutungura umutindo gwabo n'abashomo primary hamwe na secondary billion 5.8 hamwe na million 5.5 nezo kongera imishara y'abashomesa ba primary schools hamwe n'aba arts mu secondary na no matendekeraga by'emikono ebindi trillion 1 bagitaho okusyamiza marunjo mu bantu kandi trillion 1 hamwe na billion 800 zazo mu science technologia hamwe na no kuhanga trillion 2 hamwe na billion 9 bazito mu programs zo kurwana soboro ezirimo imyuga PDM hamwe na nebindi trillion 9 hamwe na billion 9 nezo kushashura imishara y'abakozi ba government bemwe habintu ebyayongerwaho umushoro haruma amarwa kandi bagongeraho umushoro gwa 18 okuraga hari shingiro 16 okuzaha 35 boruta y'amarwa amajitaga ibyiruka boruta bajongeraho umushoro gwa shiringi 5 kandi amajita gukusitsa ningashi cooking oil nayo bayongeraho shiringi 2 okuraga hari shiringi 2 hati okuzahari shiringi 4 boruta okuhanditsa pikipikensya nazo mushoro gwayongera okuraga hamitwaro 20 okuzaha mitwaro 50 akashaho ka siminti kayongeraho umushoro gwa 5 okuraga hari shiringi 5 okuzaha rushanjo 5 shukari nayo buri kilo bajongeraho umushoro gwa shiringi 100 kandi hato buri kilo ya shukari neshashoro rw'umushoro gwa shiringi 2 abakapapura ninga shibetingi umushoro gwayongera okuraga habucweka 20 harigana okuzaha bucweka 30 harigana obwesente zo kuhangura President Museveni omukugamba kwe yashaba abanyishenjero okurebuza sente zatibwo mu mbarira na no kureba ngo zakozesebwa je.
All the leaders, certainly all the ministers must take the lead in checking parish by parish what is happening to make sure that all these people stop kukongora, stop cheating us. We work, they don't work. They are there, but they want services. They want medicine, they want education, they want security, but they don't contribute. They're just sitting there in their homes and not engaging in the money economy. So although we have done very well, this very good performance the minister is talking about is by the 67% now.
President Museveni nabwe yarabura abanya-Uganda okongera amani omukurwana soburwire bwa Ebola.
Ebola is a very simple disease. It is not like corona, as I said last night. Corona was very dangerous because it was spreading by breathing, which meant that if you sat the other time, I got corona from you people in Chankwanzi. When I took a group photograph with you people without my mask, I got corona. And I was here for 21 days sitting in the house. So corona was really dangerous. It was spreading by breathing. But this Ebola spreads only by contact. And contact, close contact with the sweat, with the vomit if they vomit, with the blood, sexual, kissing, saliva. When the person is already sick, not showing symptoms of sickness, So therefore, really, it can be stopped. We just need to get rid of the carelessness.
Embarira y'ihanga eyeyonziro kuruga hari trillion nshanju n'ibiri omwaka gw'ebyesente gw'enkumi hatokuza hari trillion 94 na billion 391 omwaka gw'ebyesente ogw'enkumi 2026 ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Ratugusa.